In front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that using Tricky's navigation, tap on this square button. Now click on this little icon at the top right corner. And as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To resize it, hold one of its bottom corners, pick a perfect size, and then let go. If you wish to turn your app into a bubble, click on this icon of a line at the top left corner. Then to access it, tap on the bubble. You can also close it by holding the bubble and dragging it to the bin option at the bottom. If you want to use your app in full screen view, you can hold the lower line and drag it all the way down. Or you can click on this square at the top left corner. Now, to turn your window into a really tiny one, just drag it, then resize it, and now to access it, click on little window over here. Lastly, if you wish to close it, you can click on this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!